Earlier this year, for the first time, a court in South Korea ruled that the Japanese government has to pay compensation to the victims of Japan's system of wartime sexual slavery, those known euphemistically as the comfort women. But now another case, similar to that one, has just been dismissed by the same court, which ruled that it has no jurisdiction in the matter because of Japan's sovereign immunity. Kim Do-yeon has the details.
A regional court in Seoul has dismissed a civil suit on compensating the victims of Japan's wartime sexual slavery system, saying it has no jurisdiction due to the concept of state immunity. This means the case won't even get tried. The decision sides with the Japanese government's claim of sovereign immunity and goes against a ruling which saw a different group of plaintiffs win their claim against the Japanese government earlier this year. Seoul Central District Court on Wednesday said, when we recognize exemptions of sovereign immunity, diplomatic clashes will inevitably ensue. In addition, the court used the case of the 2015 bilateral agreement between the two countries as one of the reasons behind the decision. It said that despite some of the voices of the victims and organizations being undermined in that agreement, it wasn't enough to consider the agreement void with some of the victims being compensated through it as well. Joining this round's 20 plaintiffs was Lee Young-soo, a 93-year-old, quote, comfort women survivor, well known around the world for her efforts in holding the Japanese government to account. Comfort women is a euphemism that refers to the hundreds of thousands of victims of sexual slavery.
너무 황당합니다. 너무 황당해요. 어쨌거나 저 결과가 좋게 나고 나쁘게 나고 가네. 국제사법재판소로 갑니다. 꼭 갑니다. 저는 이 말밖에 할 말이 없습니다.
The case was brought to court in 2016 but has been constantly delayed due to Japanese government's unresponsive stance. But in a similar case in January this year, the court said the immunity didn't apply to systematic crimes against humanity. In that case, it told the Japanese government to pay more than $90,000 to each of the 12 plaintiffs. Tokyo remained silent and unresponsive, resulting in no appeal and the decision being final in favor of the victims. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.